lesson about that for me. First of all, she is the next generation. She's 2 generations away from me. Not 1, but 2. If 20 years is a generation, she was born when I was 42 years old. So she is 2 generations away from me. And she is what the future is.
Yes.
So she is buying what she knows and she's bringing it home to me. She knows what I do. And she says, hey, look at this. What is this? Can we invest in this? And we can do it in our own lives. And I think that the way we go into the future, in part, is by listening to the next generation. I think that your children implicitly are giving you extraordinary investment information now.